And we're back.
And we're back. What you got next for me, Will?
Oh, right. The stories.
The story. My story. Well, I'm just watching my stories. Amazon's launching an invite-based ordering option, starting with the PS5 and Xbox Series X. Are those things still in limited supply?
Yes.
It's
opening up, though.
Get the hell out of here. PlayStation 5, man. You remember when that stuff was too hot to handle and too cold to hold?
You're rapping again.
I apologize for that. My sincerest apologies for that. Invite-based ordering option. So you would submit your name. You would wait in line.
Get in line.
It's an online lineup, which is fine. I have been in physical real-world lineups for gaming and gadgets in the past. Amazon is launching a new invite-based ordering experience for high-demand, low-supply products. The company told TechCrunch that the purpose of the new option is to help prevent inventory shortages and price gouging caused by robot traffic for high-demand items with limited quantities. Amazon says its goal is to ensure that genuine customers are able to purchase these sorts of products. The new program is launching in the United States, starting with PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X game consoles sold and fulfilled by Amazon. Here's a quote. "We work hard every day to provide customers with low prices, vast selection, and fast delivery. This includes developing a shopping experience where customers can purchase the items they're interested in without having to worry about bad actors buying and reselling them at a much higher price," which happens on Amazon, by the way. Go get yourself a GPU while you're at it, although those prices coming down too, if anybody cares. You care. Will cares. Mo sort of cares. This is good because you got the resellers on there. You got the people who have been waiting in line. And sometimes these companies, online retailers, they would come up with promos to make more money, raffles, like all kinds of weird ways to where you could get something. And then, of course, the bots would buy up everything that became available. So there was no way for the average person to do it to have the same advantages or any advantage or any potential. So now you put your name in line, and I'm sure there's always funny business.
Of course,
going
they're going
on.
to find a way.
But you have a slightly better chance now to be to get to the front of the line at some point. They're starting right now with game consoles. I would think you could add GPUs to the list. I'm trying to think of other things that would be so limited that you would wait in line for them. Nothing coming to mind immediately outside of those things.
Maybe game launches? No.
They don't. I don't think they
Digital,
don't. Usually they don't sell out. But anyway, it could extend into other product categories.